Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous class, I had discussed with you about types of sets. Types of sets. In that first one, empty set or null set or void set. Okay, so what do you mean by empty set? Empty means a set which does not contain any element. A set which does not contain any element. A set which does not contain any element is called empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called what? Empty set. This set is denoted by pi or like this. Bracket element to. So this is the definition of empty set. Then second one, non-empty set. Non-empty set. Andre ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು non-empty set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. A set which contains at least one element. A set contains at least one element. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Non-empty set ಅಂತ. You can take any set containing one element and a natural number system, a whole number system, a set of English alphabet. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ non-empty set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Then you have also seen third one, singleton set. Singleton means a set which contains only one element. A set which contains only one element. Only one element of a set. So our set is singleton set. For example, it contains one element 1, E. So like that, etc. So our set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು singleton set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, next one, finite set. Finite set means a set which contains definite number of elements or finite number of elements. A set which contains definite or finite number of elements. So definite number of elements, finite number. For example, natural numbers from 1 to 100. Natural numbers from 1 to 100. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ definite number ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು. Okay, population of India. So number large ಇರಬಹುದು. 135 crore ಇರಬಹುದು. Numbers large ಇದ್ರೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ -1 to -2 -3 so on up to -1000 ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಸೆಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ finite set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ infinite set. Infinite means a set which is not finite. A set which is not finite. A set which is not finite is called infinite set. Is called infinite set, or a set which has infinite number of elements, or a set has infinite number of elements. And certainly is count ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, elements. For examples, natural number system, whole number system, integers, set of integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ set ನೀವು infinite set ಗೆ example. Infinite set. ಈ count ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ natural number system starts from 1 to infinity. Whole number 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity. Integers minus infinity to plus infinity. So here, so definite number of elements ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು infinite set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so next one, equal sets. So if two sets A and B are said to be equal, here set ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ A and B equal ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ if and only if A and B have exactly the same element. A set ಮತ್ತು B set ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ A not equals to B. A set ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈಗ A B C D ಅಂತ A ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ B ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು C D A B ಅವೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ A and B have the exactly same elements, then only we will say that A set A equal to set B. Clear? So these are the concepts which I have discussed in previous class. Okay? In this class, we will see the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First point, which of the following are examples of the null set? Null set means empty set. Empty set ke ಯಾವ examples ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Empty set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, a set which does not contain any element. ಆ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ set ಗೆ ನಾವು empty set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. First ನೋಡಿ, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Divisible by 2 ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, that number must be even. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, even ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ those numbers are divisible by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇ ನಾವು set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Set of odd natural numbers rest of all ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು 1 3 5 7 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So no element come in this set. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So that's why this set is an empty set. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, empty set ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Solution, it is a null set. It is a null set because no element of the odd natural numbers is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 1 3 5 7 9 so on ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ the odd natural numbers divided by 2 is an empty set. Okay, it is a null set because no element of odd natural numbers is divisible by. Second one, set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. So it is not a null set. It is null set. It is not null set because 2 is circular bharat hai. Set of even prime numbers. Okay, yes, you can write 2. ये 2 बड़ी बोला 2 prime number, but it is an even. So set of even prime numbers है even element बरत है. But ये अगर the set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ element ಬರಲ್ಲ null set ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. Okay, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ set of even prime numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is not a null set because this set contains the element 2. So 2 bar. Okay. Next one, third one. It containing element x such that x is a natural numbers and they have given condition x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so on ಇದೆ and they have given the condition x is a natural number. Okay, and condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು x less than 5 ಇರಬೇಕಂತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ x greater than 7 ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತೆ this set contains x is a natural number such that x less than 5 and ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಗಿಂತನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು 7 ಗಿಂತನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes these numbers will come. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ greater than 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. x less ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x less than 5 s the set contains 1 2 3 4 and ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x greater than 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ yes 8 9 10 11 12 so on ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 7 ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 5 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 7 ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ it is a null set because a natural number cannot be less than 5 and greater than 7 simultaneously. Okay, so at a time a number ಎರಡು ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. because less than 5 ಇರಬೇಕು, greater than 7 ಇರಬೇಕು. It's not possible. So that's why this set is an example for null set. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ null set. Okay, next ನೋಡಿ. A set containing element y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. A point is common to any two parallel lines. So already we know the definition for parallel lines. Parallel lines ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? So these are the parallel lines. Common point of if the two lines are intersect each other. If two lines are intersect each other, then we will get the common point. But parallel they do not intersect each other. Parallel lines do not intersect each other. So ನಮಗೆ common point ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ y is a point common to any two parallel lines. ಸಮಾಂತರ ರೇಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No, it's not possible because these two parallel lines do not intersect each other at any point. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಛೇದಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so this set is also example for null set. ಇಲ್ಲಿ solution it is a null set because no two parallel lines intersect each other. That's why they do not have any common point. Is it clear? So note down this. Second main, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Finite or infinite. So what is the definition for finite? A set contains definite number of elements or finite number of elements. ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸೋ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್. A set contains infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Okay. No. First one, the set of months of a year. The set of months of a year. Yes, we can easily write this one. This set. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So what is the number of elements? So 12 elements there. It is definite. Really 12 elements for the set of months of a year. 12 months for another. So it is definite. It is finite. This set has finite number of elements. Yes, it is a finite set. It is a finite set because this set has finite number of elements. This set has finite number of elements. Then ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? They are 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 elements ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's why this is finite. Clear? Second one, 1, 2, 3, so on ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why this set has infinitely many elements. All elements ಬರ್ತವೆ. That's why solution ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Infinite, because ನಿಮಗೆ definite number of elements ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ elements ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So up to infinity ಇದೆ. So it is an infinite set. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Infinite set ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because this set has infinite number of elements. And then we definite ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಸೆಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. so on up to 99, 100. Nange last one gotte this structure row last one 100 is okay. So definite number aayte so finite numbers 1 to 100 anta so it is finite and easily count ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So ಇಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು finite set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Solution, it is a finite set again. So we know that the last term of this set means this set has definite number of elements. 100 element ante ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. It's a finite set because this set has definite number of elements or finite number of elements. Finite number of elements. Okay. Next one. The set of positive integers greater than 100. The set of positive integers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 100 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 101 102 103 so on ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ infinite number of elements. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the set of positive integers greater than 100 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು 101 102 103 so on ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. so it is an example for infinite set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಸೆಟ್ ನಾವು infinite set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, it is an infinite set because this set has infinite number of elements. Infinite number of elements. Okay. Next, last one. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Okay. The set of prime numbers less than 99 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So the definite ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ less than 99. The prime numbers like they are greater than 1. Prime number definition ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. A number which is greater than 1 which are divisible by 1 and itself. So those numbers are called as prime numbers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Solution, the set of prime numbers less than 99 definite ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. finite number of elements ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this set starts from 2. first prime number 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. what is not a prime number 2 3 5 so on up to last number 97 is the last number less than 99 and then again definite number of elements ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So that's why this set is an example for finite set. Okay, it is a finite set because this set has finite number of elements. Finite number of elements. Clear, right? So note down. Third main, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Here they have given some sets. Here we have to say that the given sets are finite or infinite. Okay, first one, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. Here, we have x and y axis. So this is the x axis. Like the set of lines which are parallel to x axis. We can draw many lines parallel to x axis. Infinitely many lines. We can draw infinitely many lines. We can draw infinitely many lines parallel to x axis. That's why this set is infinite. X axis में parallel line आता है. So the extend आएगा. Infinity में कहाँ को? That's why this set is infinite. So solution is it is an infinite set because we can draw infinitely many lines parallel to the x-axis. Set because we can draw infinitely many lines which are parallel to the x-axis. Is it clear? So this set is infinite. Okay, next one. The set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters. Each total numbers is 26. So this set contains finite number of elements. Finite number is a definite number. So here solution A, B, C, so on up to last number and Y and Z. So these are the last numbers. So that's why the set is finite. It is a finite set. It is a finite set because this set contains finite number of elements. Otherwise, you can also say the set has finite number of elements. So this is fine. Next one, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5. What is the set of multiples of 5? This is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. Definite number definite number. So that's why it is an infinite set. Last number is that's divisible by 5. It is impossible. So that's why the set of numbers which are multiples of 5, it is an infinite set. Last number which is the last number divisible by 5. So we don't know. That's why solution is again. It is an infinite set because this set contains infinitely many elements. So it contains infinitely many elements. So infinite number of elements. Okay. Next, fourth one. The set of animals living on the earth. Yes, the set of animals living on the earth. The number of animals living on the earth may be huge. But they are definite. The number is large. The animals number large. They may be 1 crore, 2 crore, whatever. but they are definite. They are finite numbers. ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ they may be huge in numbers. ಅವು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, but they are finite in number. Animals ಏನಿದೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ they are finite in numbers. So that's why this set is finite set. Concept clear ಆಗಿದೆ? The set of animals living on the earth. ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು number of animals, but they are finite. Okay, that's why solution ಏನಿದೆ? Answer is it is a finite set. The finite set ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, because this set contains finite number. The number is just they may be 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, whatever, but they are finite, definitely. Finite number of elements. Okay, next one. The set of circles passing through the origin. The set of circles. The set of circles passing through the origin. So this is your origin. The set of circles passing through the origin of that. You can draw many numbers. You can draw infinitely many circles like this, or like this. You can draw many circles passing through the origin. So this is also what? Infinite set. Okay. Solution. It is an infinite set because we can draw infinite number of circles which are passing through the origin. It is an infinite set because we can draw infinite number of circles which are passing through the origin. Is it clear? No. Next, fourth main. In the following, state whether A equal to B or not. These sets alone, A equal to B, they will check one. A equal to B, what's the condition? We say that A equal to B if and only if the set A and set B have exactly the same elements. Exactly same elements are required. Then only we will say that A could be, otherwise not. Sorry. First one, A equal to A, B, C, D. B equal to D, C, B, A. First check ಮಾಡಿ. A ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ elements B ನಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ? So order ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ. So order is equal to here. So A is there. Okay. Yes, A is there. B is there. C, D, B. So here all elements here. That's why solution A equal to B because A and B have exactly the same elements. Because the two sets A and B have the exactly same elements. So exactly same elements. That's why A equal to B element. Second one, A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. Notice first again. 4 there. Okay, 4 there. 8, 8, 12. So 12 there. 12 ಇಲ್ಲ. And 16 ಇದೆ. 16 okay. 8 ಇದೆ. 8 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Is it clear? So all the elements of set A are not the elements of set B. So that's why clear ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A not equal to B because the two sets A and B do not have the exactly same elements. A with B are exactly same elements. That's why A not equal to B element. Two sets A and B do not have exactly the same elements. Clear? Third one, set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is there. Set B, it contains element X such that X is a positive even integer and X less than or equal to 10 is there. So the roster form is there, this set builder form is there. So write set B in a roster form. Roster form is there. Set B equal to X is positive even integer and less than or equal to 10 is there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is also even positive integers less than or equal to 10 is there. Same answer. Check what we have. Set A equal to 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. So set B is all elements. Set B is so that's why solution is A equal to B because two sets A and B have exactly the same elements. So last one, A equal to, it containing element X such that X is a multiple of 10, then B containing 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. Okay. The roster formula, the set builder formula, write set A in a roster form. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. Okay. 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಇಲ್ಲ. So that's why solution A not equal to B because the two sets A and B do not have the exactly same elements. Same elements. So same elements. So that's it. Okay. Note down. Yes. Fifth main. Are the following pair of sets equal? Give results. They are given set A and set B. Here we will check the two sets are equal or not. Okay. Solution. First one, set A equal to 2, 3 there. Set B, it containing element X such that X is a solution of X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. The set builder formula is roster form is not work. And then we have to solve this equation. X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. So it containing the elements X. Then we have to find the value of X. X will count over it. So add 5 ಆಗಬೇಕು multiply ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what are the factors? 2 and 3. Okay. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. X is common. X plus 2. Here 3 is common. And x plus 2 equal to 0. So 1 factor is x plus 2. And another one is x plus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3. So set B is equal to minus 2 minus 3. But set A 2 3. So here we have same plus 2 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. So here A not equal to B because A and B do not have exactly the same elements. Clear? Next one. Second one. Solution. Set X is a letter in the word for. Set builder formula. Lots of forming. Set A equal to F O L. So repeat again. Alright, only one time. O is also over, then W. So these are the elements required to write the word for. Then what is set B? Set B in X is a letter in the word wolf. W O L F. F is there? Yes. F is there. O L W W. So order is important. So here are elements. Set B null is there. That's why set A equal to set B because A and B have the exactly same elements. Is it clear? Note on that. From the sets given below, select equal sets. From the sets given below, select equal sets. What is set A? 2, 4, 8, 12. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4. Set C 4, 8, 12, 14. Set D 3, 1, 4, 2. Set E minus 1, 1. Set F 0, A, G 1 minus 1, H 0, 1. So is to settle equal set. Check one more. 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12 is there? No. B 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. Solution. Well, B equal to B. Okay, these two sets are equal. Then what else is there? Minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So these two are equal. And E equal to